Hi there, Cyber CA viewers. Welcome back to our channel. I am Himnatech, and today we are driving deep into the world of cyber and privacy liability insurance. We shall be exploring what it is, why it's crucial for business in today's digital age, and how you can easily get an online quote for cyber insurance. So if you are ready to protect yourself and your business from cyber threats, keep watching. Segment number 1: Understanding cyber and privacy liability insurance. Before we jump into the insurance side of things, let's understand what cyber and privacy liability insurance is all about. In a world where data breaches and cyber attacks are on the rise, this type of insurance offers financial protection against to float for these accidents. Think of it as a safety net that helps business cover the cost of data breach, response, legal fees, and even potential fines. Segment 2: Why your business needs cyber insurance. Now you might be wondering, why do I need cyber insurance? Well, let me tell you, whether you are a small startup or a well-established corporation, no one is immune to cyber threats. From ransomware attacks to customer data leaks, the aftermath can be financially devastating. Cyber insurance not only helps you recover faster but also shows your clients that you take their privacy seriously. Segment 3: Navigation the quote process online. Gone are the days of spending hours on the phone or filling out lengthy paperwork to get an insurance quote. With the power of internet, you can now obtain a cyber insurance quote online in just a few easy steps. Many insurance providers offer user-friendly platforms where you can input your business details, assess your risk factors, and receive a tailored quote almost instantly. So there you have it, folks. Cyber and privacy liability insurance demystified. Remember, in today's digital landscape, it's not a matter of if, but when a cyber threat might strike. Protecting your business with the right insurance can make all the difference. If you are ready to take that step, don't hesitate to explore online quotes for reputable insurance providers. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more valuable insight into the world of cybersecurity and business. As always, stay safe, stay informed, and until next time.